Hi everyone, this is Dave Zachos, broker and owner at Zachos Real Estate Design. Today I want to share what I call the deal of the week. There's an estate sale of a home at 1795 Belvidere Road in Englewood. This home is 2,100 square feet. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bath home with a pool and a spa, and it's on almost an acre. It's priced at $395. Now what makes this a top pick for me this week is the fact that it's so close to the beach. One of the number one reasons is that people move to this area is to be close to the beach. This home is about a mile to the beach. Another thing that's close by is a preserved park, a bayfront park just a stone's throw away, as well as the boat ramp less than a mile away. The next thing that makes this a top pick for me is the size of the lot. 8/10 of an acre gives you an opportunity to expand. It gives you privacy from your neighbors, and post-COVID, we're seeing people wanting larger home sites. Demand is up for home sites where people can bring in extended family and have different options to do with their homes. The third thing that makes this desirable is that it's not in an HOA. So there's no burdensome fees, there's no high expense to hold this property. You can park your RV and your boat right on site. The fourth thing that makes this a top pick for me is the potential for upside appreciation. Sarasota County is becoming very popular. People are moving here from across the country and across the globe. North Englewood, in my opinion, is still a best kept secret. The proximity of this home to Englewood Beach, Minnesota Beach, Lemon Bay, the city of Venice, the city of Englewood is ideal. I've been in this community since the 80s. You can see I've been working this area even in a past career for a long time, and I really feel that this is one of the best kept secrets of Sarasota County. Once the secret's out, you'll see appreciation start to take off in this area. That's it for now. If you have any questions about this home or anything I mentioned in this video, please be sure to reach out. I thank you for watching, and I look forward to speaking with you again soon. All right, take care.